Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the unveiling the TestNG's at the rate test annotation, the core of the writing down the test cases. So scenario, you want to define the actual test cases. So it can be defined as at the rate test marks as a method as a test case in the TestNG. So which is similarly act like a main method in the Java class. So analogy like recipe book, each dish is a at the rate test. In real time example, like we can consider the syntax of the code like at the rate test, which is going to act like a test case. So the public void verify login system.out.println login test passed. So if we consider the condition like executes as per the suite configurations and usage like mark test methods and customize with priority and groups and data providers. In real-time testing data like run with the priority equals to 1, which is going to be executed at the first time faster, and going to the shortcuts, use the enabled equals to false to skip a test without deleting the code. So we can use the enabled equals to true or enabled equals to false in order to run or in order to skip the test. And the tips and tricks combined with depend on methods for the sequencing test based on the dependencies. We can use the like login depends on like dashboard depends on the login. Once you login only you can able to view the dashboard page. So like similarly going to the memory trick at the rate test the actual dish in menu. So finally we can conclude like the central piece of TestNG testing framework. And the interview tip like if asked how do you define the test cases in the TestNG, by using at the rate test annotation we can write down the test cases from the manual test cases.